this next braid is also a flat braid. It's going to have, again, two colours, but we'll have one colour centrally and the other colour on the outside framing it. So it's exactly the same setup as before with our 8 cords in 2 colours, each cord 50 centimetres long, 20 inches, and I've attached my little weight with a cord and a pin to the bottom. So my layout or pattern will be the darker cord in the centre and the lighter cord on the outside. So to do that, my layout or my pattern is 2 light cords at the bottom, south, and the 2 light cords east and west in the top position, then 2 dark cords in the bottom of the east and west position, and 2 dark cords at the top. There we go. And this you'll start exactly the same way. I'll just get these threads sitting nicely because they look a bit messy at the minute. So you can just take your time and get yourself in position. It's way down. I'll bring it up. I like it so that my little pin is right under the bottom. Where are we? Okay, now I'm ready to begin, and it's all set up, ready to go. And again, it's exactly the same as before. Start with the bottom right, bring it up to the top, change hands, bring it up to the top, change hands, bring it down, change hands and bring it down. You have to be a little bit more vigilant here and just work on the inside cords because your 2 colours are in different positions. You don't want to get yourself mixed up. So just remember it's these inside ones and then the outside ones that we're working with. So now I put it back into position and we're back where we started. So we do it again. Bottom right to the top, change hands, left to the top, change hands, right to the bottom, change hands, left to the bottom, and then 1 middle, 1 up, 1 middle, 1 down, bottom, middle, up, top, middle, down. Whoops. Reposition. So here's my braid, and as I said, I've got the dark purple on the inside and the grey on the outside. Now I'll tell you how that's determined. You can use this layout even if you wanted the darker colour on the outside. The key is the first braid that you take up. So as you know, the way we've been doing it, we've been going from the bottom and using the grey as our first twist, and then we use the purple as the second coming down. So that places the purple inside the grey. So if you wanted the purple on the outside, you don't have to change the layout, although you can, you know, and have the dark at the bottom if you're comfortable working at the bottom, which I like to. You can just start by using the purple first. So instead of starting with grey up, you would start purple down, and that would give you the outside colour as the purple.